What's up, YouTube? So we finally got the steering wheel in. So I'm finna try to install. It's my first time doing this. So we finna try to install this. Alright, so I got it down to this part. I think I gotta get this little, try to get this little pin out right here. I was just struggling trying to get this motherfucker off, but I got it off. So I gotta get this little clip out right here. I didn't take this this nut out. Then you gotta use this steering wheel puller. Oh shit. You gotta take the steering wheel puller. I'm blowing the damn horn. And then pull it out. So I'm gonna show you how to put that on there too. I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, so I got that damn pin off, but Dejan, you watching this, boy, this motherfucker come in handy. I gotta give me one of these. Oh, I might just keep your shit, you don't know use that shit. Off like that. Got that little nut out. You're gonna need that. Let me open this up. All right, so we got it on there. You gotta put this little black piece on it right here. And then you gotta screw these into these, it's two holes right here. And just put it on there, and then I don't know if you tighten it up or loosen it up, which way to go. Other way. There you go. And there we go, we got it all. So now I gotta see how this shit go on here. I think this is on backwards because it's 4G out of something. It was like this. There we go. So we got that on there. Gotta put this back on. And we gotta tighten it up. Let's put this. Tap it a few times, one more time, just to be safe. That's the be safe. And I got this pen. Hold on, I got the pen. Where it go? All right, got this pen. I don't know if it's supposed to go back on there or not, but I'm gonna put it on there anyway. So I get this shit on. All right, so we got this on. Yeah, now I gotta hook the horn up, but I don't know how this shit's supposed to work. I'm guessing this goes on here. But I don't know what the hell it's for. She ready to smack that motherfucker car. I don't know how to hook this damn horn up. It looked like I'm supposed to plug it into this little latch thing right here, but I don't know what the hell this go to right here. So I'm gonna just find somebody who know how to do it, hook it up for me. But I'm gonna tape this motherfucker up because this shit, every time you touch the metal, the damn horn blows. So I'm gonna tape it up, and then we damn near done with this. It's on there. That was pretty easy to install. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a little view how it look, a better view, because I'm a little close up on it. But let me tape this up and then we'll put it all together. Let me get back with y'all. So we got it in there. I think it looked pretty good. I gotta get used to it because I'm used to that shit being kind of thick, but this motherfucker gold hidden in here. I gotta add some more gold accents in here. But it's looking good up in here. Going out for a little ride. I feel I do. It's different. And give me a little gas in here. Run a little low. I hate this damn road in my neighborhood. This shit bumpy as hell. On there though. My hand ashy there. Yes, sir. A1 now. Wow. Almost there. All I gotta do is get the center console, the red deck, and get the dash wrap. Think about getting a different dash. What you call it? Was it custom? I don't know if I want to go Dakota. Swap that out. We gonna get right. I got another video coming with the Imperial lights. I gotta put them in. I took them out. I got them. I just gotta wire them up. I ran out of wire on the other side. But the E6 is still for sale. If you want them, inbox me. 5,000 best offer. But y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I gotta clean my mess up. And see y'all on the next one.